Good morning and welcome to a coffee vlog. So today I'm going to make a strawberry frappe. I've made one of these before, but this one is slightly different. I'll show you the end product. So what we've got is we've got the frappe with the donut. Look at that. So we've got strawberry frappe, fresh strawberries in there, cream. Then you've got your donut for dipping, your fresh strawberry on top to dip and eat, and you got your straw. If you want to make one of these for yourself, then just watch my video and have a go. Okay, so the strawberry frappe kit list you're going to need: one strawberry donut, and then a frappe glass or cup or jar, whatever you want to use. You're going to need some frappe powder, you're going to need some strawberry sauce, straws, you're going to need some ice. We can see the size of the ice, we can talk about that later. You're going to need some milk. I've got there just over 250 ml, maybe 260, and some fresh strawberries. And of course you're going to need your blender. Okay, so let's start making this bad boy. First thing we're going to do is just add the ice into the blender. So I'm going to just take a piece out and show you the size. If you've not watched one of my videos before, the size of the ice piece, really important that we get the right size for the blender to chop it up. If we don't get the right size, it's too small, your frappe is going to be too loose. If it's too big, it's going to be really lumpy because the blender won't be able to chop up a big hard piece of ice. I'll throw this one. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to add the milk. Perfect. I'm going to add the frappe powder. I'm going to add the sauce. A couple of really good squeezes. Okay, and now I'm going to get a couple of strawberries. Just going to cut the tops off. I like it to have that really authentic taste, and adding real strawberry really gives it that authentic taste. I'm going to add 3 good size ones. Got these today, nice and fresh. And that's it. Move that out of the way. Move these out of the way. That one. And here we go. So I'm going to engage the blender. Get that running. So what I'm going to do at first is I'm going to knock it onto a number 1. I'm going to let it spin, listen to that sound where I can hear the ice being chopped up. And then maybe I might need to knock it over to a number 2 to finish it off, or we'll see. You can hear the difference in the sound that the blender makes as the frappe starts to become prepared and ready to use. Ready to go. You can still hear some big lumps of ice. There you can hear the difference now from the sound, so those big lumps of ice are not being chopped up anymore. So this is ready to go. Next thing I'm just going to do, let me just alter this camera slightly so you can see better. I'll turn you down a little bit, there we go. I'm going to take the lid off. Now I'm not going to use this lid, but I am going to use the straw, so I'm just going to pull it out. There we go. Keep that to one side. Now what looks really good is just to dress the glass with a bit of sauce around the outside. There we go. And then I'm going to pour the frappe mixture straight from the jug, straight in, but I'm going to leave myself room for cream, and of course room for the donut on top. Sometimes you have to just knock it back and then knock it forward. You can see the consistency is looking really, really good. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. What I'm going to do is just shake. There we go. When you shake the glass, it just flattens the top there. Lots of more. Perfect. And now for some cream. So I've got the cream canister. Add this there. Now, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick on the top my donut. Beautiful. And then I'm going to find a nice looking strawberry. I'll pretty it up a little bit. See if that one, no, that won't go. See if we've got another one. Ah, here we go. There we are. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to get my straw, pop that down. So maybe I need to just put the straw in first and then put that. And there we have it. One strawberry frappe with a donut. Amazing. And here we go for a grand tour. You can see the mixture in there. How good does that look? I mean, who wouldn't want that? It's the kind of drink they make if you ever go to Disney World, Florida. Quite often you find these frappe style, milkshake style drinks, and they always come with a cake. Well, not always, but sometimes they come with a cake. And that's really good, because what you can do is you can just take the cake off the top, break it up, and then start to dip it in and get all those flavours mixed in together. It's absolutely amazing. Perfect. We'll go for a taste test in a moment. Okay, so ready for the taste test. Let's give this a try. See what we think. Oh, do you know, normally I don't like strawberry sauce. I think sometimes it can taste a strawberry flavoured, can kind of taste a little bit fake, but when you put the real strawberries inside it, you get that real authentic taste of strawberry. That is absolutely perfect. Love it. Amazing. I'd like nothing more to eat the donut too. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I feel a little bit like Del Boy with this one. I'll put it down. I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. So yeah, please have a go yourself. Give us a like if you like the video, please. Subscribe if you want to see some more. But thank you so much, and I will see you next time.